I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and updating the Sony firmware. This prevents handshake failures. Plug an Apple-certified Lightning cable into the unit's USB port, labeled Carplay, or switch the Sony to wireless CarPlay mode if supported. On your iPhone, enable Siri and CarPlay in settings, and keep the phone unlocked during the first pairing so permissions appear. This initial step ensures the head unit and phone can exchange authentication info. Do it now so once the physical or wireless link is active, follow on-screen Sony prompts. Accept CarPlay and allow access to contacts and notifications. For wireless pairing, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone, then use the Sony's pairing menu to locate and select your phone. Accept any PINs or prompts. If using USB, use a known good cable to avoid intermittent disconnects. Make app choices and set CarPlay as the default infotainment source, so the system launches automatically when you connect. You finish by customizing the CarPlay home screen from your iPhone and confirming steering wheel button mapping on the Sony, which improves safety and usability. Then tune audio levels, microphone gain, and Bluetooth priorities inside the Sony menu to prevent call or media problems. If CarPlay fails to connect, try the key troubleshooting move. Reset the Sony head unit or choose Forget this device on the iPhone, then repair. This clears broken profiles and often restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.